What's up YouTube, this is Master Renz and welcome back to my channel. So sa video ito, manonood tayo kay Nook's Top 5 na ang pamagat ay Scary Ghost Videos, Ghost Caught on Camera. So subscribe kayo dito, Nook's Top 5. Napakaganda ng mga video nito eh. So wag na natin patagalin to, let's go sa go!
The top 5 ghosts caught on tape. The Doorway. The Barton Mansion in Redford, California is considered by many to be one of the most haunted locations in the state. Way back in 2001, two young men decided to investigate the abandoned house. What they caught on tape remains one of the most controversial ghost sightings ever recorded.
Dilim mo.
What the hell's that? That on the floor. Right there.
Uy! Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun?
Now, something of interest here. It looks as though the figure in the video has to crouch down to fit through the doorway. This would mean that the person, ghost star, whatever this is, had to be around 7 feet tall or more. Today, 16 years later, the two men who recorded the video still claim that the footage is 100% real.
Ano kaya yun? Hindi mo pwedeng kapwa eh, kasi hindi naman maitim. Ano kaya, baka naman tao lang talaga, naligaw lang doon. Pero sa palagay nyo, comment nyo na lang din kung ano sa palagay nyo, kung ano nakita nila.
The Anguished Man. Sean Robinson has been posting YouTube videos for over 7 years of a painting that he claims is haunted. According to Sean, the painting, named The Anguished Man, has a dark history. It was painted by a mentally disturbed man who committed suicide shortly after completing it. Sean claims that every time he gets the painting out of his attic storage, strange things begin to happen around his house.
So I'm going to set up the recording equipment and leave it for approximately 8 hours, and I'll leave the light on.
2:30 AM. Uy, meron nga oh. Isa pa daw, isa pa. O 4 AM naman. Ano kayo mangyayari dito? Uy, ayun no. Nako po, nako. Nako. Oh.
Over 7 years, Sean has only posted 8 videos to his YouTube channel. He says that between filmings, the painting is kept securely locked.
Ito, sa pintuan, ito para sa akin, hindi ko alam kung may tali or wala. Pero ulitin natin, parang wala naman tali eh. Isa pa.
To his YouTube channel. He says that between filmings, the painting is kept securely locked away in his attic.
Kasi kung tali yun, magsasakado bigla yun, di ba? Eh doon dahan-dahan eh.
Headless haunting. Some kids in Iraq are filming around an old abandoned school. At first their exploration is pretty uneventful. Then one of the boys mentions in Arabic that his phone that had been fully charged was now about to shut off. Right after he says this, the cameraman nonchalantly pans around an abandoned classroom. Just then a call to prayer can be heard from a nearby mosque. The camera catches this strange footage.
Wala ka sa ganun, say. What? Walang sample ko.
Ano kayo makukunan? Uy!
Hindi lang ako.
Ano, walang ulo?
Sambat. Gaya ba siya? Ayun, sambat. Sambat ba? Telepon ito ba?
The boys couldn't see the headless apparition with their
Ayun
naked
nga, oh.
eye and had no reaction. It was only later, when watching the footage back, that they noticed the chilling figure in the video.
Saka dun sa video yun, siyempre hindi nila napansin, di nila napansin tapos dahan-dahan pang lumitaw, di ba? May hapekein din to kasi luma na yung kami ang ginagamit nila.
The Phantom Diner. CCTV footage from Jimmy's World Grill in Bedfordshire, England, captured some strange activity in the restaurant on tape.
So, CCTV naman to. Uy. Oh, baka nagugutom tong multo. Ay, napatingin sila oh.
Now, if this scene were being faked with multiple hoaxers pulling fishing line or strings, it seems like it might attract a little more attention from the other diners. But in the footage, no one even looks up until the noisy plates and silverware hit the
Yun nga eh.
floor.
Wala lang. Doon na sila nag-react. So yun, nakatapos din tayo. So subscribe kayo dito kay Nooks Top 5. Teka, excuse me lang sorry. So subscribe kayo dito, Nooks Top 5. Napakaganda ng mga video nito. Saka syempre, shoutout kila Boss Benok TV, kay Ma'am JD Files, Ma'am Ice Domingo, Sir Teng TV, Boy Patatas, Boss Bino, saka si Boss Rino. Yan. So, supportahan natin siya na makaabot ng 1 million subscribers. Yun. Gaya sabi ko, subscribe kayo dito kay Nooks Top 5. Saka syempre, subscribe din kayo sa akin channel na Master Renz. At pakiclick na rin ng bell button para lagi tayong magkasama sa panonood sa mga horror saka mga paranormal na video. So yun, thank you so much po sa pagsama and ingat po kayo palagi.